everybody, I'm back and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lady Lori and we did have one heck of a weekend. I had the girls here, I had my daughter, I had my granddaughter and the baby. We didn't put the baby in any videos, my deepest apologies. Maybe we'll put her in another one, but I hope you guys enjoyed those videos. And I just want to say congratulations to the two winners of the Jeffree Star big old package box. So that was for my 500 subscribers. And we had the Glam Light Beauty Bundle box as well. So I just want to say congratulations to you two ladies. I was really excited about it. There were a lot of entries. And you know what, I was holding my breath because the one thing I didn't want to happen was the scam accounts to pop up, but it went through all of them. They were part of the batch. They were part of that spinning as that comment picker was going through. We could see them. And I wanted it to go to, you know, I don't have control over it, but to my loyal subscribers. And you know what? The comment picker did not disappoint. So I just want to say yay to you two ladies. I hope you enjoy those beauty bundles. And anyway, let's get on with the show. So I think we're going to do this in, I don't know, 1 video, 2 videos, 3 videos, who knows. But these are my BOXYCHARMs. Now I did give away the other premium. I apologize, I gotta move my desk here for a second. I did give away the other premium because they were duplicate boxes. So this is my BOXYCHARM in June. This was the duplicate box. This was what the other individual received. And that was the Express Yourself. So I don't remember if I went through it real quick or if I showed you guys. I just know that I said, hey, guess what? This is what that person won. It was Tired and Cranky. She's the one who won. So anyhow, this one had the Lorac Pro Palette Artist Edition Meraki, or Meraki, I'm guessing, for $45. This is the palette that was in that box. This is what they won. This is what Tired and Cranky won. Was Tired and Cranky? I think Tired and Cranky was the one that won this. I'm almost positive. But anyway, if you guys look at it, this is the roadmap to the back. That's what the palette looks like. This is the palette that's inside the box. Actually, this is cool. The product protector, and it does have a nice mirror. But the product protector, you guys, has the names on it. So it doesn't just have this, it has the names. So, you know, has the names of each of the shades. That is beautiful. It's the Pro Palette Artist Edition. And here's the palette. A beautiful, beautiful neutrals. You have your sands, yellows, your transitions, a lot of transition colors. Peaches. It does have like a darker color. It's got that black. You have some of your pinks a little bit. Quite a few shimmers. So what a gorgeous palette she got. Man, lucky you. Okay, and then by Patrick Ta Beauty, the Major Volume, you got the Major Volume Mascara by Patrick Ta, and it is in black. If it's sealed, I will not open it because I want the person to get it intact, okay? Look at this. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Look at that. Look at that packaging with the name on it right there. That is a beautiful mascara tube. That one there came in at $29, and then there's the Dominique Cosmetics, and that's in here somewhere. It's the Silk Tone Cream Blush. So we got a Silk Tone in soft pink. Oh. I'll probably build a giveaway box out of this stuff. I have so much hanging on the back of my door, you guys, that I'm at a point where I think so much of it is going to end up in the trash because I don't have anyone around me locally that I can give this stuff to, except for maybe donating more to the, you know, the women's shelters. Here's the packaging on the outside. Very, very pretty. Oh my gosh. It has a real pretty mirror that says soft yet powerful. I like that. And it's a cream blush. Look at that color, you guys. Wow. I don't know. Maybe we'll keep this one. Oh, wow. You know, I think this one's a keeper. I think that one's a keeper. That one came in at $22. And then we have the cores, which was this right here. And it's the Poreless Skin Cream. This one comes in at $36, and it's a Grape Poreless Skin Cream. And I have so many of them, and it is sealed on both ends, so I'm gonna leave it. Well, you know what? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Why not, right? I can always put a real cute thank you sticker on there. Like when I do my giveaways, I put thank you stickers on their labels. I could always do that when I seal this one back up. Oh, look at that, it's pretty. Now I have used the overnight one, the sleeping mask, and I fell in love with it when I first started getting beauty boxes. It's the red jar, and I absolutely fell in love with it. I used to put it on every single night. Then I started wearing it during the day because it moisturized so well. This is supposed to be Grape, and it does have a seal on it. I'm not gonna dip into it, but it smells nice. It's very, very mellow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Really? You know, sometimes I amaze myself and I get into these things and I think, are we keeping it? But I was so impressed with the night sleeping mask lotion cream that I may just keep that one. I don't know, we'll see. But if it ends up in a giveaway, I'll put my little thank you sticker back on there. All right, that one came in at $36. And then we have by Sandbar, this is the Shadow Light Eyeshadow Primer for $28. There's the little packaging, which is reflective. Ooh, this is nice. That's nice. I like that. I like how it's round on the end, but you can still, it's still flat though. This is nice. Ooh, pretty. And it is a light eyeshadow primer. So, and it's long lasting, crease define color. Okay. Resulting in high definition, at $26. That's not bad. Or $28, I'm sorry. And this is a new brand of Boxy. And then we have, last but not least, and it's closed as well. Nope, this one's open, I think. Looks like it, yep. This is by Shadow Moon, and it is the reusable shadow shield. Okay, so this is the Shadow Moon, you guys. And this is a reusable shadow shield. Comes in at $15. And I have no idea. I know what you're using it for, but what the heck is, oh, that's nice, you guys. Look. And it's very thin. It's thicker here, and then it's really thin. So you put it underneath your, or I'm not sure. Looks like it would probably be used underneath your eye. That's where I would go. I'm guessing there first, or you could actually do it on top and use it to, you know, to do your crease, and then do the different levels of eyeshadow. If sometimes you're putting your eyeshadow too low, too high, you got that thing. It's kind of like a guard, you know what I mean? And that one comes in, like I said, at $15. So what is the total for this, for all this here? Not a bad box, right? I mean, not a bad box. The variation doesn't matter. It's 201. I think I say that number more than I say anything else. But this was the premium for June. So you got your Patrick Ta, you got your Sandbar, that Course, that, wow, that's that Grape. You have this absolutely stunning and gorgeous pink cream blush. I mean, you guys would probably keep it, right? I mean, seriously, what's your favorite item that I got in this box? You got this. And then don't forget this gorgeous palette. So let me know down below in the comment section, what was your favorite item? I mean, I'm going with that blush. I'm sorry, but it's just like, well, I'm not, you know what I mean? I mean, it's like, I'm not sorry like that, but you know what I mean? It's like my favorite, I think, so far is that blush, that cream blush. Even though it's pink and I'm not a pink, I don't usually use pink, but you can go with like a little bit of pink up there, kind of give you that rosy sun-kissed cheek look. But and then of course the Patrick Ta, you know, his or Patrick Tay, I can't remember, I always forget, and I say Patrick Tay, Patrick Ta, whatever. That mascara is gorgeous, but I only use Thrive. So it's the one that makes my lashes, because they're naturally long and they curl up anyhow, but it's the only one that keeps my lashes and separates them really nice, coats, and they get really long. I cannot wear my glasses when I use that mascara because they actually do hit the glass, but they're gorgeous, you know, and I love the way it performs. But let me know, you guys, let me know in the comment section down below, what was your favorite item out of the June Boxy? It's the premium. That's the Express Yourself. Will I build a box out of that? I don't know. It looks like so many things in there I want to keep. I want to try out that concealer, you know, or the primer, you know. I want to try out that shield, but who knows? We'll see. All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you would do me a favor before you take off, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Make sure you hit that button right over there. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help me out. And it just lets me know that you guys like what I'm providing you with. So you guys take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.